Good afternoon. I am a student of the National University Open and Remote UNAD. My name is Angela Marisol Rueda Pinilla. I am a nursing assistant in the health center of Paula. I am from the Caldas municipality. I live in the municipality of Paula. I have 28 years. My favorite pastime is cooking. I live with my parents and my two children. I am studying technology in radiology and diagnostic imaging. My favorite food is rice with chicken and hamburgers. My favorite series is Doctor House. I have two favorite sports. One is football and the other is basketball. Every day in the morning, I get up at 6 in the morning. I organize my son's breakfast and I send him to school. I bet I have breakfast and I leave the dirty clothes in the clothes yard. I work from Sunday to Saturday. I go to work at 8 in the morning and return at 5. At home, I help my son with his homework, dinner, and work in the platform until 11 o'clock at night. I rest on Saturdays and he dedicates them to domestic tasks. Bye.